Higit pa sa Itbulaga, marami po rin siyang pinamalalang iba't ibang programa mula sa talk shows hanggang sa dramas. At naging instrumento rin po siya sa pagtulong sa pag-usbong ng maraming nangungunang talento ngayon sa entertainment. Sa ngayon, sa panibagong yugto ng kanyang karera, lalong tumaas sa kanyang posisyon. Siya ay tinalaga bilang Acting General Manager ng People's Television Network or PTV4. Mga kaibigan, bigyan po natin ng malakas na palakpakan ang isang haligi ng industriya ng telebisyon at isa sa mga Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong taon, walang iba kundi si Miss Malu Showa Pagano.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award by PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Kasi napaka-80s niya pa. Hindi na uso ngayon ang cue card. Send na. Okay, thank you PMPC for this recognition. Never in my wildest dream na tatanggap ako ng isang achievement award. Dati, Darling of the Press lang ako ng PMPC. Ngayon, Lifetime Achievement na. Sabi nga ni Joba Talbo. I would like to thank my family who's always been with me. Nakikibagay sa aking erratic schedule. And they've been very supportive of me. I love you, my family. I would also like to thank my mentors, Messrs. Tony Tuviera, Romy Halusos, and Mother Lily Monteverde. TVJ, who have seen me through the years and through everything that has shaped me to becoming the strong woman I am today. The OG EB staff, na mahal ako, and who are very supportive of me until now. Even though I'm no longer a part of Itbulaga, I'd like to thank the PMPC again for recognizing my contributions to the show throughout my 41-year stay with Itbulaga. I'm proud to say that together with the EBOGs, I've been there from the very beginning. And I am deeply honored to have had a hand in bringing Itbulaga to where it is today, the longest running noontime show in the country. Needless to say, we managed to help bring change to millions of lives with our daily segments, entertain people and made them forget their troubles, even just for 2.5 hours, 6 days a week. Wednesday Club, thank you for the friendship. And for this, all of this that I am enjoying now, I humbly give back all the glory and honor to Jesus, my Lord and Savior. Thank you, PMPC.
Congratulations, Tita Malu. Tita Malu kasi, nung nag-umpisa ako sa Itbulaga, baby pa ako nun eh. Kaya, Tita Malu hanggang ngayon.
Congratulations, Malu.
Dalagita. Another well-deserved award. Yeah.
Joey, thank you. I love you. Isa sa mga talents ko si Joey.
Smile. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to Malu. And thank you, Joey.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
And
you know why this is really important to me? Dahil sabi nga ni Malu, hindi niya inisip ni sa panaginip na makakatanggap siya ng award. Because, you know, people behind the scenes just include Tito Alcuin, Tito Dolphy, Tito Vic and Joey, Pepe Pimentel, Inday Badiday, Herman Moreno, Nora Honor,
Vilma Santos, and many more. Upang ipakilala ang unang tatanggap ng Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong gabi, ay please welcome on stage isa sa mga natatanging icons ng Philippine entertainment industry, public servant, actress, host, guro. Isa rin sa mga Lifetime Achievement Awardees ng PMPC ang ginagalang nating si Binibining Boots Anson Roa.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat. Hindi ko sasabihin, Tito Boy, malaki ang tanda ko sa iyo. And of course, Pipay, I'll talk about longevity. Ako, itong dalawang ito ay talaga pong hindi maaaring makalimutan natin sa industriya. Ang legacy ko nila ay talaga pong ganun ka. Great, ganun kalaki. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang ating susunod na awardee ay espesyal po sa akin. Hindi lamang po dahil sa kanyang galing, dahil sa kanyang longevity, ito talagang lasting ang talent. Kundi dahil at some point po ay naging pamangkin ko po siya. Medyo konti lang ang tanda ko sa kanya, pero kasi ang napangasawa po niya ay pamangkin ko na kaedad po ng aking panganay. And trivia ito, niligawan po niya ang aking pamangkin sa aming bahay. At kapag nagde-date po sila, ako po ang chaperone. And those were the times na ginagawa po namin yung Zoom Superman. Kaya sabi ko, Ariel, baka mapagkamalan tayo ang nagde-date. Anyway, it's so welcoming to have him in the family with my niece, Lydia Roa. Now, you know, ang ating pong awardee ay napaka-espesyal, sabi ko na, hindi lamang dahil sa kanyang talento. He's someone whose presence on our screens, both big and small, is not to be forgotten. Siguro po hindi nyo nakakalimutan yung mga shows niya kung saan he brought to the audience countless smiles, laughter, sometimes tears. Ang witty remarks po niya ay kilalang kilala. You haven't forgotten Ariel Contina at 12 o'clock high, kung saan pinatunayan po niya ang bilang host at komedyante. At hindi rin po niya, baka hindi natin makakalimutan ang kanyang mga memorable roles sa blockbuster films, katulad po ng Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo, at ang mga Kimi Dora series. Hanggang ngayon po, patuloy po siya nagbibigay saya, inspirasyon. And he proves his talent is truly timeless. And so for his invaluable contributions, his longevity, and his impact on Philippine television and film, we present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award to the one, the only, Ariel Ureta.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Salamat PMPC, thank you. Boy, nagulat ako, si Pops ang galing pala mag-Tagalog. Naalala ko siya yung sasabi, Martin! Kaya
Marunong naman ako. Madami ako natutunan sa'yo.
Magaling. Maraming salamat PMPC at saka Tito Bud. Thank you. Hindi dahil sa matanda siya sa akin, no. Dahil napakasama ko yung pamangkin niya. Greater Snatcher, alam niyo na. Etong award, maraming salamat. And I'm sorry, I have to correct something. Hindi po ako lumabas sa Stop, Look, Listen. Now, I don't blame you because wala pa sa inyo pinapanganak nung araw. It's 12 o'clock high muna kong palabas. Kasama ko si Tina Revilla. Stop, look, listen. Wala ako doon. It doesn't matter. You don't even know what stop, look, listen is. That was at least 60 years ago. Maraming salamat, PMPC. Tsaka, natutuwa din ako, kita ko si Boy Abunda. Dahil, yan ang mga competition ko dati sa, sa pagiging host. Eh, nilagpas-lagpasan na ako. Maraming salamat at sana marami pang mga bata ngayon na magbigay ng, service to the country for a long time. Ang feeling ko nito pag meron kang achievement award matanda ka na, which is true. But I'm glad to be alive, ha? It's a better option. So, from bottom of my heart and from my family, thank you. Maraming salamat, PNPC, for this event. Thank you so much.
Congratulations again, Ariel Oreta. Di ba ang galing pa rin niya?
Hindi, siya talaga yung gold standard ng hosting. Pinanood talaga natin. Pero hindi ka talaga marunong mag-Tagalog.